Good morning, Theo Stephens, Bright Idea Egress here. Hey, you know what? Sometimes the best way to understand how something goes together is to take it apart. So this is a quick little video to show you the entire system of the ExoFrame, the system, the window well, the trim kit, how it all integrates together. So let's start with the ExoFrame. It's installed up against the foundation wall. Gets a gasket that goes on the back of the frame and compresses to the concrete. We're going to roll around here. ExoFrame goes in. Windows are designed to fit directly into the ExoFrame. Make note that this flange is about this wide, so it laps over the steel frame. You just put your caulk back here, press the window against the frame, the caulk purges out, and you've got a lasting seal. This is a safety view cover made by St. Paul Corrugating. It's designed to work in conjunction with their window well. Something special about this product is, note on the window well especially, notice the inside flange. This minimizes excavation, it minimizes backfilling, it minimizes compaction, and it makes the installation so much easier because you get to fasten this well from the inside. So I'm going to zip around this way, and we're going to talk about how the trim box integrates into the ExoFrame. This is a big deal because it can save you a bunch of time in part of the process. So you can see the frame is 4 inches thick here. The window is about 3 inches thick, so there's about an inch of tail of the frame sticking out. That's where the trim kit nests itself when you install it. So this trim kit is made from one piece of high quality MDF. It's made on a CNC machine. When it's after your window's in, your frame's in, your well's in, and you're ready to wrap things up, you just simply pick this box up, set it into the ExoFrame. I've intentionally left it out of the opening, and you just slide it in like this. Of course, you might have to adjust this cut here depending on the depth of your wall, but overall it's pretty good. So now we're going to talk about the window operation and how it works in conjunction with everything else you've seen here. So escape and clean and tilt. So you see the whole product works together. Thanks for watching.